So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can make money without having any money in your life. Now in this video, I'm going to document and share part of my financial journey and share with you guys 3 ways that I made money in my life when I had zero money to either start the business or zero money even in my name. So here are great ways for you to make money without having any money. The truth is, you do not need money to make money, and that's exactly what this video is going to reveal to you. So I want to jump into a few of my side hustles, a few of my businesses that I started, and more importantly, ways that you can make money without having money in your life. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the first business that I started having $0 in my life, and it's a business concept around retail arbitrage. You buy something for a discount and then you flip it for a profit. And the way that I was able to sell, the way that I was able to make money starting with $0 was selling on eBay. Now, how did you do this? How did you actually fund your inventory? Well, guess what? One day I went into my closet. I was about a freshman, about a senior in high school as well. And I went in my closet, I realized, damn, I have all these popular brands, Vineyard Vines, Lululemon, Patagonia. My parents have all these brands and clothes that they're not wearing. And I was like, damn, let's take this clothing and let's resell it on eBay and let's make some money. And through this process of finding inventory in my house, I was able to go ahead and flip it on eBay to make my first $100 to $200. Now, what I did with this $100 to $200 is very important. Like most people my age, they want to spend it, they want to go ahead and buy something cool with it. But what I did is I reinvested back into this eBay business. Now, I was able to generate a $2,000 to $3,000 per month eBay business, all from going to thrift stores, all from taking a small amount of cash that I had, buying things, leveling up, buying a new clothing item, buying something that has popular brands, and then going on eBay and flipping it for a profit. The great thing about eBay that I want to show you guys is that you can see exactly how much profit you're going to make when you sell something. You can find a shirt, you can find a sweater, you can find a hoodie that you know is going to sell for around $30 to $40 to $50 on eBay. Checking the sold as and sellers listings, and let's say you have that same exact item in your hand for $2 to $3. Well, guess what? Now you can calculate your profit after fees, and this is one of the best ways that you can actually start making money with $0, turning $0 into a couple hundred to turn a couple hundred into 1,000. One of the best ways that I think anyone can start making money directly online is through the retail arbitrage model. Now, the second way, guys, is one of the best ways that I think when you're young they can start capitalizing being young and your time to turn that into money. The truth is, if you have a lot of time, you probably don't have a lot of money. And that's where I was when I was young in my life. But I knew I wanted to switch this off. I knew I wanted to make more money for myself, and I didn't have any money in my life, so I had to start my first business. And the business that I want to start, guys, I started with $0. And I decided to start a service-based lawn and landscaping business. Literally, I took my dad's push mower. Literally, I took my dad's truck, his blue truck, and literally I took my dad's weed whackers, blowers, and I went around the community knocking on doors. I knew that I wanted to start my first business. I had $0 invested in capital. You might say, hey, what happens if I don't have anybody that can give me this equipment? Go on Facebook Marketplace. There's free things on Facebook Marketplace. Borrow this equipment from a friend. What if it was power washing? I did that. What if it was snow removal? I did that. What if it was going out on gutters and cleaning things? I did that. What if it's going out and painting things in the neighborhood? There are great ways that you can literally just get started and get paid for your time and make more money than you would at a job. So what did I do? I took this small equipment. I started selling. I started building a brand for myself, and sure enough, with 1 to 2 years, I was making $20,000 to $25,000 every summer mowing lawns through this lawn and landscaping business that I started for myself as a teenager, 18 through 20,000, 30,000, and just growing and scaling this business that actually cycled into a pretty successful and manifested something great into my life. So if you're willing to hustle, if you're willing to work, go out there. There is so much opportunity out there. And the way that I was able to grow, the way that I was able to scale this service-based business, whether it's power washing, whether it's house cleaning, whether it's dog walking, literally when you're young, or literally if you're just trying to make money and you don't know where to begin, is just go out there and market yourself on Facebook, put a message out to the community. Hey guys, I'm trying to start this power washing business. Hey guys, I'm trying to start this house cleaning business. Hey guys, I'm trying to start this food nutrition business. Whatever it is there anybody in the community that wants to support this? I would love to just give you a free sample and then build a name for yourself. Secondly is going through the Nextdoor app. This app absolutely changed my business. This is a free community app where you can launch any service basically in your community. This is a Facebook, basically like a Facebook concept about all the people in your community that just share about topics. And on this, you can just say, hey guys, my name is Peter. I am joining the community today. Is there anybody in the community community that wants a leaf cleanup? Is there anybody in the community that needs my services? I'm young, I'm hungry, and I want to make money and help you, more importantly. And this is just a great way that you can launch your service-based business, begin to make some money, and more importantly, go from zero to making thousands of dollars every day through this service-based business. Like I said, all free marketing, all free equipment, because you'll find it for free. And more importantly, you're just trading your time for money, and a lot of money is exactly what it's going to accumulate to. So the third way I want to share with you guys is how you can start making money with your smartphone. Now, we all have technology. I think technology is one of the most incredible things that we are able to have in our life because it allows for so much leverage. It allows for so much opportunity. And if you use your smartphone the right way, which I did, you can turn $0 into thousands of dollars, which I want to share with you guys in a second. Number one is I was able to start building a brand and actually making money directly off of content. So how did I do this? Through this journey, is it was posting videos every day. It was going out on YouTube. It was going out on TikTok. It was going out on all these different platforms and finding ways to build an audience. Right now in 2021 and moving forward, if you want to make money, if you have $0 to your name, start posting content, start building a brand for yourself, and watch that brand eventually take off. Be consistent, and guess what? I was able to get affiliate deals. I was able to get marketing deals. I was able to go out there and build a brand that is paying me on the back end through all these different reach out and content and platforms that want to help work with me, all because I was able to spend time working, building, and growing my personal brand. So the first way to make money with your smartphone is directly through a personal brand and going out there and branding and marketing yourself on the internet. The second way is through the marketplace that we have accessibility through our smartphone, whether it's Let Go, whether it's Facebook Marketplace. All these marketplaces are a great way for you to turn zero into multiple dollars. So what you would do on these platforms is find free things in your area, whether it's on the local Facebook page of free listings, or if it's going onto the Facebook Marketplace. People are giving things away for free. If you can use your smartphone while you sit at home, while you're trying to think about how can I make some extra money, go on the Facebook Marketplace, look up free section, and then go out there and pick these things up, take them home, clean them up, stain the furniture, go out there and put the couch in the back of your truck, have your friend pick up the couch, deliver it to your house, take pictures, and list it on Facebook Marketplace. Or even better, find vintage, powerful brands that are on Facebook Marketplace, like I did in college, allow me to go meet people at gas stations, literally at gas stations, and then go take pictures of it when I went to my college dorm, and then resell it for a profit. Like, there are so many opportunities. If you're willing to hustle, you're willing to make money, use your smartphone, use the marketplace apps, either Facebook, Let Go, Macari, all these powerful platforms out there that allow you to scale zero into multiple dollars. And the third is through Upwork, through Fiverr. Freelancing is a huge opportunity. You literally just need to have some type of skill, whether it's proofreading, whether it's writing journals, whether it's going out there and being a life coach. Whatever your skill is, find yourself. What are you unique? What are you good at? And see if you can market yourself. Create a link, create a bio in Upwork or on Fiverr, and then you can drive traffic to yourself to help either edit people's pictures and help them with copywriting, all these different things. And the best thing about this free platform to make money on your smartphone is that you can go on Google, you can go on YouTube, you can buy books on Amazon. Hey, you don't even have to buy books because we're not spending any money. You can find free resources to learn these skills, to make money, and they're all out there at the tip of your finger. So if you want to start making money, freelancing at home, making money on your computer, providing some type of service of consultation, well, guess what? Learn these skills on YouTube, Google, and you can start making money directly on Fiverr and Upwork. And lastly, one of the most powerful skills that the phone allows for you to do, the most powerful, most underrated, I think, way to make money in life is directly through networking. Take your smartphone. The power of your smartphone is incredible, but the one skill that you must maintain, the one skill that you must remember is the power of networking. Whether it's reaching out to someone who has a good job, whether it's reaching out to your friend who you knew in high school that has this business that you're starting, whether it's reaching out to a mom, a cousin, someone that you met on Facebook, someone that you're seeing in the grocery store, someone that you see at the gym, going out to the library. Network, because this source of network will allow you to have and fund so many opportunities. Your personal introduction, your ability to be liked by other people will allow you to land amazing opportunities in your life. And even better, it costs $0. So what I want you guys to do is just focus on putting yourself in the right situations to connect with the right people that are going to lead you to success, most importantly, but be sure to shake hands, to not be shy, to get yourself out there, to meet new people, and network using your smartphone, network using your personality, network using your charismatic character traits. Go out there and do what is best for you, and more importantly, understand the power of networking costs $0 and can land you some incredible opportunities that can not only change your life, that can change your family's life, that can allow you to have the most abundant, successful financial life all from a simple handshake. It's not about the degree you make, it's about the hand you shake. And I believe that firmly, and I think it's one of the most powerful tools that I've used to help successfully grow in life, as well as get myself into opportunities that I probably on paper shouldn't be funded on, but I've earned through networking. So I want to share with you guys, there are some great ways that you can start turning money into profits. If you can turn $0 into over $50,000, is exactly what I did, how I saved a little over $50,000 through this journey as a high school student, through this journey as a young college student. These are the side hustles. These are the ways that I've implemented. And more importantly, these are allowing me to scale my income. And it's exactly how I've gotten to the point that I want to be. So I hope you guys go out there and actually take action. If you have any questions about, hey, how can I sell on eBay? How can I flip things on Facebook? How can I go out there and build this service-based business? How can I go out there and provide some type of service? How do I charge per hour? All these fundamental questions. Well, guess what? I love to help you with them. And more importantly, if you need to find ways on how to build your brand, how to use your smartphone to make money, also hit me up. My goal is to help you grow, to help you make more money, and more importantly, let's do this together. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Peter is out. Have a best Friday ever. It's early, about 5:55 right now. Go out there and crush it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.